Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025 and need to transfer your Tether, USDT, from Robinhood to Coinbase, you're in the right spot. Tether is a stablecoin that's rock solid for transactions, and with the latest updates in crypto platforms, this process is smoother than ever. Today, I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can get it done quickly and securely. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Robinhood and Coinbase. You'll need some USDT in your Robinhood wallet to start. This is crucial because 2025 brings enhanced security features, like biometric logins, so double-check your setups. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or website and log in. Head over to the crypto section and locate your Tether holdings. It's usually under your Portfolio or Assets tab. Step 2. Switch to Coinbase. Log in there and go to your wallet. Find Tether, then select the option to receive or deposit. Copy the wallet address provided. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Ethereum or Tron, to avoid any delays. Step 3. Back on Robinhood, select your Tether and choose the withdraw or transfer option. Paste the address you copied from Coinbase into the destination field. Step 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Robinhood will show you any fees involved. Keep an eye on those, as crypto fees can vary in 2025 based on network congestion. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address and amount to prevent errors. Once you're good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transfer will start processing. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour for the funds to show up on Coinbase, depending on the blockchain network. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. Crypto hacks are still a thing in 2025. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Tether. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.